Today I'm going to be unboxing all the coins I've collected in Repo since level 1 to 100. There's going to be 2 parts of this video, so sit back and enjoy. And if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now before further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, ooh, we got a blue one. What is that? Ew! I like the blue ones, but I want a bow. There's a girly pop bow. I want that. Okay. Why am I getting shit things from nice boxes? Okay, blue. Bow. Give me the bow. Nah! Okay. Bones. Okay. No! A military hat? What? Bow. Bow. Give me the bow. Oh my god, I wanna cry. Ew! What is this? Give me the bow. Bruh. Didn't I get this one already? I guess it was from my other leg. What is that? Is that a fish on my head? Oh, it's a Christmas. Oh, okay. It's a cap. It's a hat. Okay. Okay. What am I, Shrek? What is that? Whoa. I wanna cry. Alright. Green. Nobody cares about the green. We only want the bow. What did I even get? To get? What? What? Oh my goodness. Why are there so many leg wears? Nobody want all those. Oh, I like that. Okay, that's girly. I love that. It's so pretty. It's so frilly. I like it. Oh, okay. Okay, I like that. That's nice. What is that? Oh, I want the other eyewear, the one that Evelyn asked in KDA. Oh my goodness. Okay, purple. What is that? Why is the arm like that? Okay, but I like that. Looks nice. Is that a cape? Like Dracula's cape? I don't know what that is. No, the edge of the cape. What did I get? New body bottom. Oh! I love this one! It makes me emo! Gonna be an emo girl. Oh, okay, I love that. Now I can make my whole body glittery and pink. That's a big ass shoe for my leg. Oh, of course. I get some body wear. I don't even want this shit. Can I get something? Stop giving me like PUBG stuff. Oh, that's cute. It's a little puff sleeve. Okay, gold. What in the world? What is that? Why is that gold? Ooh, pants. Nice. Oh my god, I'm not gonna get a bow, am I? Green. Oh, that's cute. I like that. Why are all the pinks giving me shit like this? What? Oh my... Okay, I guess I'm a mummy. What the fuck? Okay. Oh dear God. It's the same thing but on the left side. What is that? Captain Hook's pants? Oh nice, I got pants on my other leg too. Oh, it's the gold one, right? Oh no, it's the cheese one. Okay, okay. A grabber? What? What? Does it even look so... Huh? Arm right. Let me see. It's okay, I guess. Oh my goodness. Ew. What? Why would I have such big eyebrows? Oh, I like that. That's nice. That's cute. Stop giving me this green thing that looks like jelly. Oh, okay, the pink one. I like that. Oh my goodness, what is that? Ew. Okay. What did I get? Ooh, so pretty! That's so girly! I got a crown! Oh my goodness! Oh, okay. Eyelid. Oh! I got a pretty skirt! Oh my god, I got a pretty skirt! Okay, now I'm getting all the girly pop things. What? I take it back. I take it back. Okay. Got something weird again. What? That is so huge! Ew! That's disgusting! It looks like poop! Like poop stacked on each other, like poop, 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 poop. Oh my god, it's the poop again, but a different color. It's black poop. Okay, our last gold. Please give me something related to the burger, the burger skin. Please. Oh my god! Stop giving me the skin! The one where you don't have any body. To give me a bow, right? It has to. Okay. Oh great, it's the cabbage one. Okay. Spots. I got spots. I got chicken pox. Oh, give me the bow. Oh, I wanna cry. Oh, fancy! I like that. Oh, I like this grabber. It's a flower. Oh, it's so pretty. It has petals on it. Oh, I love that one. Okay. Don't know what that is. Okay. Okay. I have this on my other leg. What'd I get? Oh, okay. Can't really see it. It's too light blues. What? New ears? Ew, nobody wants that shit. What the hell is that? I want the other eyewear. Okay, I got one more blue. Please give me a bow. Please, I beg you. Oh my god! It took only all the blues to open it, as always. Ew. And checkers. Okay. Let's go! Okay, it's spots. I have like pink spots on my face. So jiggle, 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 jiggle. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle.